Hello, I'm Muskan Kandilwal, and you're watching Indian Masterminds. And I am with a very special guest, Dr. Malti Priya, CF Mysuru. Thank you so much, ma'am. So, what inspired you to join the Indian Forest Service?
Wow, that's a very good question. I feel. See, basically, I've done my BSc in agriculture and then followed by masters in horticulture and then PhD in environmental science. So I feel environment science, what best would be without joining the Indian Forest Service. Of course, the motivation that's given by my own seniors, colleagues who are part of the PhD in environmental sciences and other divisions of Indian Agriculture Research Institute. With their motivation and even my own hard work, I think I've entered into the Indian Forest Service, which I feel is the best service among the all services part of the UPSC.
That's really nice, ma'am. So, how do you balance family commitments with the demand of forest management all day, every day?
Of course, that's great for the ladies as such. Any lady officers will be having this kind of problem. Yes, we have to manage both the work as well as the family. Of course, there will be a great helping hand from our own parents as well as in-laws and in-law families. And that's how we run the family. And my own husband helps me a lot in managing the systems. And I correctly balance everything. And I feel I have only one kid with me. My daughter's so correct in her all her works. So it makes me so easy for me to balance between the work as well as the family. It takes lots of time, and we have to keep on planning what to do next. What I should plan for my office and what I should do for my family. Yes, the planning keeps on. We have to do planning, keep on doing the planning, and of course it will work and it will be a success. I think for every lady who are working in this field, it's a great opportunity that's given, and we are showcasing that we can do the best by being a good manager in both at home as well as in office. Yeah.
Such wise words, ma'am. So, what further changes are needed to support and empower women in the Indian Forest Service?
Of course, I feel such kind of Eco Warrior Awards itself is a great motivation. Like when we work very hard in the field, of course, every woman will feel like being motivated a bit. So that push through the form of such kind of awards, I think last year also one of the lady officer got, and I feel such kind of award should come in the future so that the lady officers will be motivated. And the second important one is the very good environment for us to work. All lady officers need such kind of motivating environment from the bosses. So that's very, very important. And of course, these are the main things that I feel that lady officers can be motivated so that they can excel very well in their field when compared to the men officers.
Yeah, that's really nice, ma'am. So, can you please discuss the strategies and challenges of managing human-wildlife conflicts?
Yeah, okay. Since I am a conservator of forest Mysore Circle, and Mysore is known for such human-animal conflict issues, since it's bordering both Nagarhole as well as the Bandipur Tiger Reserve area. There are many strategies which we have formulated, and I think last year we had around 4 deaths, continuous deaths due to leopards. Okay. So there the government of Karnataka has taken a very good initiative of starting the leopard task force and the elephant task force, which are coming very handy for us to tackle any of the issues that's coming out of the leopard or be it elephant. And I feel even the artificial intelligence technologies, we are also using that also as part of our strategies to minimize such conflicts. And I think the awareness is very, very important. When the public has to coexist with the be it elephants or be it leopard or be it tiger, there should be an awareness that's created to the public so that they are in coexistence with the animals, wild animals. So that awareness programs are also being conducted by the divisions of the Mysore Circle so that there won't be any negative issues that's propping up. And moreover, whenever we get any calls from the public, we attend to it very immediately. So 50% of the problem gets resolved when we attend to the public issues with regard to the human elephant or human animal conflict. So that's what we are trying to do, and bringing out more awareness programs. These are the important strategies that we have worked out from the Mysore Circle to tackle all the human animal conflicts.
Okay, that's great, ma'am. So, what are your future goals for the Mysuru Circle, and what initiatives are you excited about?
Yeah, that's a good one, I can tell. See, as I told earlier, that in Mysore, human-animal conflict is a major important issue that's coming out. So we have strategized in using most of the artificial intelligence units, especially the drones. Nowadays, we are using the drones in identifying the problematic elephant in the field. That's very important. When it comes out of the national park area, we have to identify it. So the drone comes as a very, very good usage for us, and we are able to locate where the elephant is present, and we are able to drive it back to the forest area. So this strategy we are using, and I feel in future also I am planning to purchase lots more drones. So that would be very, very handy for my frontline staffs to drive back the elephants or whatever animal that's present, apart from that's in the public area. So this is one of the area which I am working on. And second, as I was telling you, the awareness creation. So even the elephant task force and the leopard task force, they are being trained. So the training and capacity building is my next objective. I have to build up the strength of my frontline staffs so that they will be able to tackle the animal conflicts that's presently present in the Mysore Circle. Those are the few activities which I would like to do into the future.
That's really nice, ma'am. So, thank you so much, ma'am, for giving your time to Indian Masterminds.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.